Okay, see how you did on these problems? Okay, you first want to multiply, divide, or take a power to a power, and then you want to simplify because on these problems you will get a negative exponent. Okay, first problem, 10 to the negative first power times 10 to the negative first power. Okay, it's a multiply problem. So when you multiply, you keep the base of 10, and then you add the exponents. Negative 1 plus negative 1 is negative 2. So we have 10 to the negative 2 power. So we now need to simplify that negative. So keep the 10 the same, change the negative 2 to a positive 2, and put a 1 on top. So we have 1 over 10 to the second. Okay, that simplifies because 10 to the second means 10 times 10, which is 100. Okay, the second problem, 5 to the negative 4 divided by 5 to the negative 1. Okay, when you divide, you need to subtract. So you're going to take negative 4 minus negative 1, top minus bottom. Okay, so negative 4 minus negative 1, you probably want to same, change, opposite that. So that becomes negative 4 plus positive 1. Okay, you're adding two numbers with a different sign, so you subtract and keep the bigger sign. Okay, 4 minus 1 is 3, and the negatives win. 5 to the negative 3. Okay, so now we have a negative exponent. We want to get rid of that. So we're going to keep the 5 the same, change the negative 3 to a positive 3, and put a 1 on top. So we have 1 over 5 to the third. Okay, you may not know 5 to the third in your head. Okay, 5 to the third, you take 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, 5 times 5 is 25. And then when you take 25 times 5, you get 125. Okay, so the final answer is 1 over 125. Here's the last problem. 3 to the first raised to the negative 2 power. Okay, that's a power to a power. You multiply. So keep the base the same. Multiply 1 times negative 2. Okay, signs are different, so it's a negative, negative 2. We get 3 to the negative 2 power. Okay, now we just need to get rid of the negative exponent. So we're going to keep the base the same, keep it a 3, change the negative 2 to a positive 2, put a 1 on top. So we have 1 over 3 to the second, and 1 on top. 3 to the second is 3 times 3, which is 9. Okay, let me know if you're having any troubles with these, and I'll help you with it.